Hey everybody, welcome to the OWI Online Writing Instruction Bootcamp. My name is Kristen Winnett and I'm going to be one of your co-facilitators over the next 2 weeks along with Ellen Kohler. We are happy to have you guys. We're excited. We know this is a crazy stressful time and we really value your time as well. So hopefully everything that we do over the next 2 weeks will be useful and helpful, or just celebrate what you're already doing, or maybe give you some new tips and tricks for taking your courses online next time. But I know that this is a crazy time to be taking a course on online teaching, since we are all already teaching online right now and we have all had to kind of do our own crash courses on how to do that. So this course is going to supplement, I hope, what you've already learned in the past 6 weeks and give you some of the theory and praxis behind what you're probably already doing. So we're going to be learning about why things help students access content better, or what are some of the best practices to ensure that students understand what they're supposed to do, and what are some of those tips and tricks that have come out of the research in terms of how people learn, and especially how they learn in online spaces. So this course is great for, like I said, teaching you some of the theory and praxis behind what you're doing. It'll also teach you some new tips and tricks. When I first took this course, I was amazed at all the little things I picked up along the way. So, and they're good for any type of course modality you're teaching, whether it's in person and you're supplementing with content on your D2L page. This can be great for thinking through how you organize your space and how you expect students to figure out where things are and why and how. But it can also be good for the next time you teach an online course, and that's what this course is going to certify you to do here in the writing program. So without further ado, I'm going to walk you through a couple of the quick things that I wish somebody had told me when I took this course, and hopefully it will help you. So when you go to our course homepage, you're going to see this. We will have our announcements here. If you want to sign up for announcements, you can do that here by going to notifications. So I don't know if any of you or all of you have already done this, but you can actually get notifications to your phone or to your email whenever an announcement is posted. I don't know if you necessarily need to do that. We're not going to be posting that many announcements, but just so you know it's there. It's also good to tell your students about that feature. It can also push it to their phone or their email or wherever they want. But the most important thing for today is this content section. I like to think of the content section as being the place where everything lives. So all of the readings, all of the assignments, all of the assessments, everything is here. And so the first one is Start Here, right? So that's aptly named, right? And as you can see, the due date is May 5th, which is Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. So what I'm asking you guys to do is to read through the course intro, resources. Here on the instructor bio page, you can read a little bit more about me and Alan, your co-facilitators. It also says here what our email addresses are, and then we don't have any office hours. Just let us know if you want to meet over Zoom or phone, and we are happy to do that either way. And then the next thing you're going to do is a discussion. So for this first Start Here due date, you're going to have a discussion about starting an online course and also a syllabus quiz at the end. So when you walk through all of the material under Start Here, which is everything here, policies and support and tech requirements and help, that's here and here, which you'll probably skim because most people do that. You'll also be reading Online Teaching at Its Best Course Beginnings. And so when you click on the link, it'll take you to the online book. I just want to say I love this book. I've read Teaching at Its Best by Linda Nilsson. She did that book first, and then she collaborated with Ludwika Goodson on Online Teaching at Its Best. But it's a really good nuts and bolts book on basically instructional design and teaching and learning research. And so we're asking you guys to read this online course development checklist under course beginnings. So this is kind of just basic professional technical writing stuff, like how to identify the course, what kind of fonts and colors and styles you should use, what the navigation toolbar should look like, where the syllabus should be, why you should have a welcome message, Start Here tips, outcomes. These are easy things. But as you go through, it just kind of gives you a rundown of kind of all of the things or parts to a good online course. So we're starting with that, and then I want you to post a response to your skimming. What did you actually open up and read? Why? What did you skip? Why? Why do you think these sections exist? And how do we process those? And then read and reply to 2 colleagues. And then, Ellen and I will be in there commenting and answering questions and asking questions as well. Here are the rest of the readings. These are all really short. And then you'll end with a syllabus quiz. After that, you're going to go to after that due date, you're going to go to the Spring 2020 OWI workshop, and you'll see again, this is from the Start Here module, the discussion starting an online course, and the syllabus quiz. The dates are here. And then the following discussions are here. So there's 1, 2, 3 additional ones. And that's basically it for the course. Those are spaced out over the next 2 weeks. So anyway, glad to have you guys. Let us know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the discussions.